What's going on, 365 Viddy challenge group? Errol Sykes here in the Philippines, and making a video in the midst of a mourning of someone's passing. And it's kind of weird because while on the other side, which I'm not going to show, there's a corpse of one of my family members that has passed away. Right behind me, there are people playing a Chinese card game named Mayong. Check it out. Look, people are playing games. Hello. Whilst mourning a death on the other side of the room. I thought it was very peculiar. Check it out. From another angle. I don't want to, put people on the spot around here, but you get my point, man. This is just part of some, I don't know, culture, I guess. But that's not the point that I was making the video. The reason why I was making the video is the fact that I started a tips series in which I am giving my 20 pesos, or 2 cents, if you will, to offer you some feedback and some tips on speaking in front of the camera or speaking in general. And the tip of the day is very simple. You should be able to make videos anywhere at any time, regardless of the amount of people that are watching you. Here's a little bit of mindset. Nobody gives a flying fuck. Alright? Nobody cares that you're making a video. So if they don't care, why should you care about what they think? Most of the time, and this is purely my own experience, people just really don't care, right? And if they do care, just like you saw a minute ago with the people, is that they're more embarrassed about themselves being on camera because they're unprepared. They're not looking at their picture-perfect best. So if they are not at their perfect self at that time, then why should you care? And so, the reason why I believe that you should be able to make a video wherever with whoever is watching is because maybe you got a message, maybe you're inspired at single moment, and you might be blocked because you think that other people care about what you have to say, or people think you're weird for getting out your phone and maybe telling the greatest line, greatest story ever in that moment. All right? So I guess in closing, don't care about what people say, because you might just block yourself from offering the greatest story or the greatest idea because you limited yourself. And number two, that's more of a mindset thing, people just don't give a fuck, so why should you? Alright, from the Philippines, your host, truly, Errol Sykes. A little bit of a longer video, but I hope you got the message today. See you for more tomorrow. This is day 31 of the new challenge. Your host, truly, Errol Sykes. One life, one love.